Hi there and welcome to our video series on surviving with Git. In this episode, we'll try to recover a deleted branch. Using the Reflog tool in Git, we have quite a good chance of undoing this. Let's look at an example scenario. Here we have a feature login branch that contains a valuable commit. Still, we decide to delete the branch. Maybe because we were told that the feature isn't necessary anymore. But well, shortly after deleting it, we realized that we need it back. Let's use a Git tool called Reflog to see if we can save the day. In case this doesn't show up in your sidebar, then make sure the Reflog is activated in Tower's preferences. Think of the Reflog as a journal that keeps track of every movement of the head pointer when you're doing a checkout, commit, reset, cherry pick. And maybe you remember, we just performed a checkout because we had to move to the master branch before deleting the feature branch. So right at the top, we have this checkout we just performed. And in order to undo deleting that feature branch, we can simply return to the state before that action. Now all we have to do is right-click the state we want to return to and choose to create a new branch on that commit. Voila! We've successfully restored that deleted branch. Tower helps more than 100,000 developers be more productive with Git. Download it now at gittower.com and give it a try. 30 days for free.